If we look closely, a lot of the things we use in our everyday lives are made from wood. But did you know that before it reaches us, wood also undergoes a lot of processes? Welcome back to Mighty Machines, and today let's get into the woods as we get to know different wood processing machines, factories, and sawmills. Raw materials do not reach their full potential if they don't go through certain processes. This is also true for logs and wood. Their purpose is very limited if they aren't cut into shape first. Good thing we have the Sherwood machines made to assist in this field. Using this machine is much better than manual labor since this is capable of shaving down up to 20 feet long and 1.25 feet wide logs. Not only that, because it can also spin up to 950 RPM at the cylinder head and 300 RPM when it comes to the milling spindles. The task at hand is also made significantly easier if it's outfitted with a hydraulic drive system. By doing this, fresh logs are loaded easier while newly cut logs are removed. With a splitting force of 76 tons, the Super Splitter from Bell's Machining is guaranteed to be an effective match for any and every log. Aside from its impressive splitting force, any operator would also be amazed at how this machine's 4-way wedge can handle logs up to 9.5 feet long and 42 inches across. Since Bell's Machining also takes efficiency and productivity seriously, their machine is complete with a wireless control system, so loading and splitting can be done even with just one operator. In wood processing, machines don't only have a hard time on large logs, but also face difficulties when processing small ones. However, spindleless veneer peeling lines from Fenner are different since they were developed to process small diameter logs or log cores from traditional peeling lines. It guarantees a high recovery rate of the wood because it can peel logs up to a very small diameter final core. It can even take the most bulky logs and peel them up into the best width for your needs. Even with its compact and simple construction, it promises customers most modern automation resources and peeling process control features, giving high veneer quality, thickness accuracy, high production output, and low labor requirement. Aside from this, operators won't have to worry about keeping the area clean too. The waste produced by this machine goes out through a funnel in a clipping gate, hence making it easier to collect and dispose. Extremely heavy-duty service is on the expertise of the Clearman Industries HD 852 Rosser debarker. With its improved features and design, this machine is surely the best for debarking. It has cast alloy steel bull wheels, 3 15/16-inch bull wheel shafts, and Clearman HD carriage wheels riding on heavy-duty replaceable vertical tracks. Aside from that, it also has proprietary balanced ambidextrous segmented aluminum head and a design specific for swell reduction while creating a perfect profile. Using its 75 horsepower TEFC motor drive package, the machine can scrape away through bark exteriors without wasting the valuable wood underneath. It can also debark logs that are up to 8 to 52 inches in diameter. To also help with the comfort of the operator, the HD 852 Rosser head debarker is built with a comfortable operator's booth that functions with Clearman's exclusive palm-flat joystick controls mounted on a deluxe armrest joystick seat. The task is also easier to monitor since the machine comes with touchscreen diagnostic controls, best for easy troubleshooting. Plus, it has a remote machine grease plate that makes maintenance fast, simple, and safe. Some wood products like planks don't require much craftsmanship since it only has a straight and smooth surface. On the other hand, things like wooden window frames where patterns and designs are present need very precise yet talented hands. But woodworking isn't only composed of that part. It also includes the usage of dowels, or the small wooden pins or pieces that are stuck into two different pieces of wood. Further processing is done by joining them together so that structural reinforcement is offered. In order to accomplish this step, an immense amount of precision and consistency is needed. Good thing we have the Lietz PlugTech window corner joint. This allows many different profiles and widths for maximum customization while providing high-quality stability and fitting. Not to mention that the joints are also capable of supporting up to 180 kilograms of sash weight. So amazing. Aside from wooden window frames, wooden floors are also very popular in architecture and house constructions. In fact, a lot of homes all around the globe have wooden floors. However, through time they have observed that pure wood tends to wear out faster than any other material. So, they decided to add other components that would make wooden floors sturdier. This is where veneered MDF flooring became popular. Speaking of which, Woodlent is known to be mass producers of veneered MDF flooring. They make use of the combination of wood and medium-density fiberboard. These components help wooden floors maintain their aesthetic and beauty, while making them more stable and strong too. Now that we're on to the topic of veneer woods, did you know plywoods actually come from them? Through piling up thin layers of wood veneer and gluing them together, a flat sheet of plywood is created. Then the finished product is usually used in internal paneling, home design, and much more. Since there's quite a lot of demand in plywood, the plywood process assembling from PIPI made a way to produce hundreds of sheets of plywood in no time and without requiring much effort than traditional ways. They cover processes from departing, drying, up to shipping the final product to the market. PIPI has also set its cutting edge on its ability to accommodate any set of dimensions every customer needs. If you're looking for a machine that can cut any type of wood smoothly and specifically in 3 parts, you should start getting to know the Serra di Fita Dupla of Mentas Mequanas. Known as the SFD 1500, this band sawmill has an impressive 1500 hand wheels that make sure there is high-speed operation while maintaining high-precision cutting. Its power and efficiency can be measured by the 100 meters of wood it can deliver every minute. Such an impressive innovation. Did you know that some screws are made out of wood? This is what Brusa is famous for. The Brusa wooden screw machine processes wood in a unique way by precisely shaping and carving the threads and patterns until it becomes a wooden screw. This means that this machine was designed to excellently provide even the most complex and intricate designs on small pieces of wood. But this isn't a shocker, since Brusa is really known for machines as amazing as this. Lastly, let's go over one of the processes wood goes through, which is jointing. It's done through preparing the edges of various boards so that it is ready for gluing. Originally, this was done manually with the help of some tools, but as the demands for it grew and grew, experts also slowly developed more efficient methods and machines to help with jointing. A clear example of this is System TM's Opta-Joint machine, which was designed for high precision and steady jointing. It also follows a mechanism that enables the machine to work with any type and size of wood. It's also very helpful for tasks where speed is needed, since it transports workpieces quickly along its length. This is made possible by the computer-integrated systems within the machine. Truly a smart and amazing machine. Those were the different wood processing machines, factories, and sawmills. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments section what you want to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss out on these amazing machines. See you in the next video.